A birdie.
Is that a birdie?
Oh, what's that?
It's a birdie. Look at the birds. These are parrots. Budgies. Look.
Look. Wow, big one. Look at that one.
It's a cockatiel. And these are budgies. Cockatiel. It's a little birdie.
This one. Look at that one.
They're eating some seeds.
Whoa, what you gonna do, baby? Cute.
Cute.
Whoa! Oh, that's so fun.
Ryan, look at these little birds.
You made a bit.
Yeah.
Whoa, bitch!
They're the cutest.
Pink.
They're the cutest. Yes. It's a birdie. It's a birdie.
You wanna go see some fishes? Fish.
Yeah. This one is the schooling fish.
All right, look at this one. Look at this. It glows.
Yes, fish. These are little fishies. They're so cute. Yeah.
Wow, you freeze! Oh, you freeze!
Yeah. Look at these fishes.
I took everything out of the tank. I don't know why it's so hard. They look fast. That's good. There you go. There you go. Up, up, up. There, up, up. Got one.
Yeah. How cute is that cat? Yeah.
Cat. Hi, cat.
Hello.
It looks exactly like that one.
It's a
It's
cat.
white.
Hello, cat.
It looks like he wants out.
Look, cat.
He's like, I want out.
Hey, kitty cat. Cat. Ooh, hey, cat. Come on. Look, cat. Wait, you ready?
Did you get scared?
There's another one up here, and there's another one here.
There are 3 cats.
Cat.
Yeah.
Look at him.
There's a white cat. See?
Say hello, kitty.
Hello. Hello, rabbit. That's open.
Open? No, we can't open it. We can't open it. Yeah. The little baby kittens.
Look at this, Ryan. Look here. Look at that. What is that? No, here.
It's a long-haired Syrian hamster. Do you like the hamster? Oh, it's so cute. Oh, it's so cute. What are those? Those are skinny pigs. They look just like pigs, but they're so little.
Look at the Russian hamster.
Yeah, it's the smallest one. So cute. They're so little. Look at this one. It's so cute.
Hey, Daddy, put it back.
Look at that one. It just stole its food. Oh my God, it's running. Wow, what's that? It's a Russian hamster.
Hamster.
So cute. He just went inside his little bowl. He's eating the food.
Look, it's eating. Look,
Look how sweet.
look at
Look
this
how
one.
small he is and cute. It's cute, right? Hi there, buddy.
Look at that one in the back.
Where are you? Come out of your little home. Ooh, what's that one's eating? Is that a corn? It's a small corn. Yeah, you know, one of those small corns. So cute. These are the bearded dragons. Wow, so many. Wow. But they're little.
Turtle!
Where's the turtle?
Turtle, right here, right here. Look at turtle.
Wow, there's a turtle. You see the turtle? Do you see the turtle? Wow.
Hey, turtle.
Yes.
Oh,
there's-
Oh, turtle. Look at the turtle.
Look, Brian, look. You see it? Yeah. Dragon. Yeah. Wow, look at the Chinese water dragon.
Oh, look at that.
Yes. What is he doing? What is he doing?
He hangs, yeah. You trying to scare it?
It's so cute.
Nom nom nom. It's gonna go.